Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Today I want to share a very simple recipe with you guys. I just recently got it from a girlfriend's house. I was invited over for dinner and they had this dip that was absolutely amazing, and I said, could I please have the recipe? And then once I got the recipe, I said, can I please share with my friends on YouTube? Because it is so easy, but I had to share because I'm telling you, I think I ate it all. It was so good. So basically what it is a roasted tomato avocado dip. And it is so simple to put together. Basically, you want to get your avocado prepared. And I put that in a bowl and I mash it with a potato masher. And you want it slightly chunky, but you don't want it mushy. And then you're just going to simply add in 2 cans of Kroger roasted tomato in a can. And that is it. You mix it together and that is it. And you would think that, obviously, that's something being so simple, it wouldn't be that fantastic. But actually, it is the bomb. So I want to say thank you to my friend who shared the recipe with me and allowing me to share it with you all. I know this is a very simple, very short video, but I wanted to share it with you guys nevertheless because I know you guys like very simple, easy recipes. And now is the time of the year, people getting together for family reunions and for football season. And if I can get a hold of one of those recipes where people think you spent a long time on something, and I want to share it with you guys so you guys can cook to impress and throw a little flour on your face, make it look like you were in the kitchen all day. It's okay. Shh, it's our little secret. So guys, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll be talking to you all again soon.